So, your AI model is live. It's out there in the wild making predictions. That's fantastic. But are they the right ones? And how would you even know? Today, we are digging into one of the most critical and honestly often overlooked parts of AI, model health. Let's find out how to make sure your model stays sharp long after it's deployed.
Okay, before we dive in, just a quick but really important heads up. This is the second module in our 10-part tutorial on open source tools for AI infrastructure. Everything we're talking about is based on a comprehensive report by Virtualization Options LLC. Now, this is meant to be general guidance, so it comes with no warranty, and it is absolutely not legal or financial advice. The bottom line, please always discuss any of this with your own financial, technical, and legal pros before taking action. These modules are just a small peek into the full research report.
All right, let's start with the big problem, something known as silent failures. And trust me, this is the stuff of nightmares for any AI team. It's that scary scenario where your model is live, the servers are humming along, everything looks fine, but under the surface, its performance is slowly, quietly getting worse, and not a single alarm's going off.
And that leads us right to this question. You've done all the incredibly hard work to train and deploy your model, but the real world, it's messy, it's always changing. So how can you be sure that the predictions your model is making today are just as good as the ones it made on day one?
You know, this quote really hits the nail on the head. See, monitoring an AI model is a completely different beast than monitoring traditional software. We're not just checking for things like CPU load or server uptime. Nope, we have to put on our statistician hats. We need to track the very nature of the data going in and the predictions coming out. It's a whole different mindset, and it needs a whole different set of tools.
So if it's so different, what exactly are we supposed to be keeping an eye on? Let's break down the vital signs of a truly healthy AI model.
It really all boils down to these three core pillars. First, you've got your classic performance metrics, things like accuracy, precision, and recall. Are those numbers starting to dip over time? Second, and this one is huge, is data drift detection. Is the new data your model is seeing in the wild different from the clean data it was trained on? And third, prediction monitoring. Are the model's outputs, its answers, and its confidence levels starting to behave in weird or unexpected ways?
Let's just focus on data drift for a second, because this concept is absolutely fundamental. Think of it like this. Your model was trained on data from last year. But since then, the world has changed. Customer habits, market trends, you name it. The new data coming in might have a totally different statistical fingerprint. Your model, completely blind to this shift, will just keep on making predictions based on an outdated view of the world. And that's when its accuracy starts to tank. That's data drift. Okay, now that we understand the problem, let's get to the solutions. We're going to explore 3 incredibly powerful open source tools you can use to tackle these exact monitoring challenges. And we're focusing on open source for a good reason. These solutions are vetted by a whole community, giving them a stable foundation, unlike some commercial products that can, and do, get discontinued. And this visual really captures what we're aiming for. See, it's not enough to just detect a problem. You need clear, intuitive dashboards to understand why it's happening. The goal here is true observability, and the tools we're about to look at are designed to deliver exactly that. First up, we've got Evidently AI. The best way to think about this tool is as a specialist for generating these rich, visual reports on your model's health, all the way from testing into production monitoring. The real power of Evidently is just how comprehensive it is. I mean, look at this list. It tracks everything from performance degradation to data drift, and it uses serious statistical methods like the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test to catch even subtle shifts. But honestly, its standout feature is the ability to generate these amazing interactive HTML reports. They give you a clear visual comparison between your production data and your reference data. It makes spotting trouble incredibly intuitive. All right, let's move on to our second tool, YLabs, and more specifically, its open source core, a library called YLogs. This one takes a really unique and clever approach to data observability. So here's the workflow. Instead of sending all of your raw, potentially sensitive data somewhere for analysis, YLogs creates these super lightweight statistical profiles. This is a game changer because it's both privacy-preserving and highly efficient. These profiles capture all the key statistical properties without ever exposing the raw data itself. You can then compare these profiles over time to detect drift and trigger alerts. It's a really scalable and secure design.
And our final tool, Great Expectations, shifts the focus just a little bit. While it's not what you'd call a direct model monitoring tool, it is absolutely essential for model health. Why? Because it's all about ensuring data quality before it can ever become a problem.
The slide here clarifies its role perfectly. With Great Expectations, you define, well, expectations, which are basically just assertions about your data. For instance, this column should never have missing values, or the mean of this feature should always be between X and Y. By validating your data against these expectations before it even touches your model, you're basically acting as the ultimate gatekeeper. You stop data quality issues from ever causing those silent failures in the first place. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. So let's pull all of this together and really summarize the key takeaways from our look at these 3 awesome open source tools.
This is a great little cheat sheet for you. If your main goal is post-deployment monitoring and getting those rich reports on model drift, evidently AI is your go-to. If you need a scalable, privacy-first approach that's based on data profiles, YLabs is a fantastic choice. And if your biggest concern is making sure your data pipelines are clean and valid from the start, you begin with Great Expectations. And the best part? They're all under that permissive Apache 2.0 license.
So, I'll leave you with this final question to think about. Is your AI infrastructure just running, or is it truly healthy? Because in the world of AI, what you can't see can definitely hurt your results. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.